let's discuss some of the formatting. So for example, if I write the name here, description, and amount. Very simple invoice. Just have three columns. So name, let's say it's a product name. So in terms of formatting, so let's drag it longer to make it look like proper invoice. Drag it here. Okay, so if I want to change the cell color of these headings, so I will click on left hand side, and from the home tab I can see the option, this one. So if I this one, select this one, it will change the background color of these columns. If I want to make it a border between these columns, so I will go to the border option, borders and shading, and inside, if I just click on inside one, and from here if I select color white and then click on the inside line, press OK, it will create the white line between the column heading. Again, you can bold it, it's already bold, you can make it italic if you like. So this is how you can format your data within Microsoft Word. You can change its alignment as well to make it on the left hand side, center, right hand side. So this is all about the formatting.